it is time again to review another one of your videos. And if you want to know who I've picked today and what I've got to say about that creator's underwater camera work, stick around because that's coming up right now. Hi and welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School, and thank you so much for tuning in again. Now, as I was announcing a few weeks ago that I was going to review your underwater videos and that you can send them to me, I was overwhelmed of the response that I've gotten from you guys. I've gotten quite a few videos, emails with links to videos that I'm now reviewing one by one, step by step, slowly but surely. I can definitely not review them all at once, so it's just going to take a little while for me to go through all of them, but I'm highly appreciative of you actually sending those videos to me and trusting me with reviewing these videos for you. Now, for today, I have picked Krys Fernandez video that he sent to me, and why don't we just go right into it? We'll watch it together, and I'll review it and give you my feedback on what I think about Krys's video. So let's not lose any more time and jump right into it. Nice intro, I like that. Some topside stuff first, entering the water. Nice shot. Cool. Nice colors, very clear, steady camera work. I like that. A little bit of movement in there too. Very nice colors, good composition. Nice. Well done. Cool. A little dark. What was that? Nice. Some sharks. Cool. Good change in music there too. Fits well. Well done. Cool. Nice. Very nice transition. Fits perfect to the music. Well done. Nice perspective. Awesome. Wow. A little bit out of focus there at the beginning. Awesome shot, I love that. Well done. Nice. Very cool. Whoa, nicely done. Wow. Awesome. I love that shot. I love that sequence. Very cool. And your whale shark. Nice. Look at all these barracudas. Awesome. Wow. Right in the middle of it, and there's a turtle. Nice. A little bit out of focus. Beautiful, beautiful imagery. Nice. Very cool. Very, very cool. Fantastic. Really love it, Krys. I think you've produced an amazing piece of underwater film here. This was all filmed, as far as I know, and as far as you've told me in your email, this was all filmed in Sipadan while you were working there, as I understand. And it is kind of a showreel of the diving in Sipadan and your ability as an underwater filmmaker. I really love it. It's a fantastic piece of underwater imagery. It's not too long. It's just a little over 4 minutes altogether with the outro and everything together. It's perfect in length, in my opinion. It's very dynamic. I love the choice of music. I love how you've edited everything to the music and how the action in the film actually matches the music, or the other way around. I don't know how you've chosen it, but it fits very, very well in my opinion. You've got some really nice shots in this piece here, Krys. Particularly, I loved the one of the bumphead parrotfish, the close-up one. I loved the one with the shark bashing through the school of, I think it was barracudas. I loved the creativity that you put into the shot where you were retracting from the sponge, the barrel sponge. That's very creative and fitted very, very well into the sequence there. The entire sequence, the quick edited sequence, starting with that shot of the barrel sponge as you were coming out, that was really, really nice. Some of the landscape shots are really, really nice. I've got some good colors in some of them. I think that as you were going, or some of the deeper shots there, and they could be improved in colors a little bit, in my opinion, but it's nothing dramatic at all. I'm not sure what kind of camera you were using. One thing, or one tip that I would give you, at the very first shot, the person standing on the boat as you're approaching the dive site, you can see that the lens or the dome port or whatever you've got on your housing is not clean. There is some dirt. There is like a little there's something on that lens, and it just doesn't look very nice right at the beginning. I would try to avoid that, especially in the very first shot. In all really, but in particular in the very first shot. Then you've got a couple of shots that were out of focus. If it's just like a travel documentary and you're just putting clips together from like a vacation, that's not much of a deal. But if you're putting together a showreel, like I understand this is for you, then I would try to avoid using shots that don't have the focus where it should be. There was 2 or 3 shots where the focus was not on the subject, and you can see that quite clearly, because on all the other shots your focus is fine. So I would try to for the next time, not use the shots that are not in focus. And I know that sometimes you've got that one object, that one animal, or that one action that you really want to have in your showreel, but it's out of focus. Well, in that case, personally, I would not put it in there. Better don't have it in there than have it in there as a not so nice shot, or not a technically good shot, my opinion. What else? I said already about the music. I think that you picked a piece of music that works very, very well with your imagery. The color grading in general is fine. I like it. There's little bits and pieces, little tweaks that you could do to make the different sequences match better together. But that's kind of high end. If you want to go down that road, you can spend hours and hours tweaking that footage to make sure that it actually fits. I don't know if it's all been taken with the same camera. If you've got different cameras, that can also make it quite difficult to match those shots together. What I've also noticed when we talk about optics is that on some of the wide angle shots, you can actually see that the outer edges of your shot are blurred a little. They're not out of focus, but they're a little washed out or blurred, soft. That's probably to do with the quality of the optics that you're using on your camera. There's nothing dramatic about it, but it's just something to pay attention to if you're upgrading or if you're thinking about getting yourself a new dome port or a new lens. Just make sure to invest a little bit into a higher quality lens so you get sharpness all the way through to all of the edges of your lens or your dome port. Another thing that I really liked and that you've pulled through the entire film was the dip to black transitions. I think they worked very well here as you were kind of transitioning from one scene to another one, and I think that worked very well for this piece of film that you've showed us here. So all in all, really, Krys, I think that you've done a hell of a job with filming and editing this piece of underwater film, and I think that you can be very, very proud of yourself. Both thumbs up, great job, well done, and it was a pleasure watching that film and reviewing it for you. How do you guys like Krys's film? Let me know, or let him know down in the comment section below. I'm sure that he would appreciate a comment and a feedback from your side as well. Now, Krys, I couldn't find any website or a YouTube account or anything like that of you. So if you do want people to see more of your work, please let us know where we can see more of your work. Put it down in the comment section below. I'll make sure to pin that comment to the top so people can actually find you if they want to see more of the amazing content that you're creating. Now, if you guys want to have your own film, your own underwater film reviewed here on the channel, make sure to send me a message with the link to the film that you've uploaded somewhere on Facebook or YouTube, and I'll be sure to have a look at it, review it, and publish it here as a video on my channel as well. So if this video was useful to you, if you've learned something out of it, if it was entertaining for you, any of these, please do not forget to hit that like button, letting me know that this format is something that you are enjoying, and also feel free to put a comment down in the comment section below. A comment for Krys if you want to give him some feedback on his video, but also a comment towards me if you have an addition to my review that I've made here for Krys's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, guys. As always, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that little subscription button and the little notification bell so you do get notified whenever I upload a new video here on the channel. And that's it for today. Stay safe, make bubbles, and I will see you in the next video.